For years, that little black box sitting under your TV has been nothing more than a side project. It was just a simple way to stream your favorite shows. It lived quietly in the shadow of the iPhone, the iPad, and the Mac. But you need to forget everything you know about the Apple TV. A massive new leak has just dropped, and it exposes Apple's master plan for your living room. This changes absolutely everything. If you thought the next update was just going to be a tiny speed boost to load Netflix a little faster, you are in for a shock. What is coming in 2026 is not just a streaming device. It is a full-blown Trojan horse. It is designed to wipe out traditional gaming consoles like the PlayStation and Xbox. It is built to completely dominate your smart home, and it will bring a level of artificial intelligence into your house that feels like pure science fiction. We're talking about true 8K resolution, high-end gaming, and an AI brain that will blow your mind. Let's break down exactly what is coming. The 8K revolution in spatial video. Let us start with the biggest visual upgrade. The 2026 Apple TV is officially stepping into the 8K era. Now, you might be wondering why you even need 8K. Most people do not own an 8K TV yet. They are still very expensive. Plus, Hollywood is barely making any 8K movies or shows right now. But this is exactly where Apple's brilliant strategy comes into play. Apple is not waiting for movie studios to catch up. They're taking matters into their own hands. The leaks reveal a wildly powerful internal upscaling engine. This engine is completely driven by Apple Intelligence. It means the new Apple TV will take your normal 4K or even 1080p videos and upgrade them instantly. It dynamically upscales everything in real time. It analyzes every single frame of the video. It enhances the textures, sharpens the edges, and makes the colors pop. On a supported screen, it will look like native 8K. But there is a massive hidden motive here. This is all connected to the Apple Vision Pro. Apple is building an entirely new ecosystem. Think about the high-resolution spatial videos and giant panoramic photos you take on your iPhone or Vision Pro. Apple wants you to cast those memories onto your living room screen in mind-blowing detail. They want the Apple TV to be the ultimate hub for all your personal spatial media. A pretty picture is great, but it is only half of the story. The console killer, M-series power. The real earthquake hidden in this leak is the processing power. For a very long time, Apple used older iPhone chips in the Apple TV. It made sense. You only needed a basic chip to scroll through menus and play simple mobile games. But the 2026 model is making a massive quantum leap. It is jumping straight into the M-series architecture. We're talking about a heavily modified version of the M4 chip, or possibly even an early M5 chip. Why would Apple put a high-performance, laptop-grade computer chip inside a streaming box? The answer is absolutely terrifying for companies like Sony and Microsoft. Apple is coming for the AAA gaming market. They are not playing nice anymore. Imagine sitting on your couch, turning on your TV, and instantly playing massive games. Games like Resident Evil, Death Stranding, and Assassin's Creed. These will not be watered-down mobile ports. They will run natively right on your television. You will get ray tracing, incredibly high frame rates, and zero lag. There is no cloud gaming latency to ruin your match. There is no massive, noisy, expensive computer tower sitting on your floor. It is just one sleek little box quietly pushing out graphics that can rival the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox Series X. The leaks strongly suggest that Apple is throwing massive amounts of money at major game studios right now. They want to guarantee that this new Apple TV launches with a huge library of blockbuster titles. And do not worry, they do not expect you to play these hardcore games with that tiny Siri remote. Industry insiders are finally confirming that Apple is building its own dedicated pro-level gaming controller. This controller will be packed with the same advanced haptic feedback technology found in your iPhone and MacBook trackpad. It will create a deeply immersive sensory experience. Traditional rumble motors in normal controllers simply cannot match this level of detail. Think about the math here. If Apple prices this box aggressively around $200 or $250, why would a normal person spend $500 on a bulky console? The Apple TV will already be plugged in. It will be ready to play immediately. It will sync perfectly with their iCloud account and Apple Arcade subscription. It is an instant win for the casual and mid-level gamer. The AI Butler. Apple Intelligence takes over. Now, we have to talk about the artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere right now, but Apple is bringing it into the physical space of your home. It feels straight out of a movie. The new Apple TV will feature a completely redesigned, proactive version of Siri. This is powered entirely by on-device Apple Intelligence. Forget the old Siri that always mishears you or fails to set a simple timer. This is an AI that truly understands the deep context of your daily life. Because it uses a massive new neural engine right inside the box, your privacy stays completely safe. The data never leaves your house. But the AI knows what you like to watch, when you like to watch it, and exactly who is sitting in a room. The leaks describe an incredible new feature. The Apple TV will use spatial audio and network signal from your Apple Watch or iPhone. It will ping these devices to know exactly who just walked in and sat on the couch. If you sit down alone, the TV interface instantly changes to match your exact profile. It will highlight the exact episode of the show you paused the night before. But what if you and your partner sit down together? The AI instantly calculates the intersection of both of your watch histories. It looks at what you both like and suggests a movie you will both actually enjoy. This completely eliminates that terrible 20-minute scroll through Netflix trying to agree on something. It gets even smarter. It learns your habits. It knows that on Friday nights, you order food and watch big action movies. It will automatically suggest the perfect summer blockbuster. At the exact same time, it will dim your smart lights and lower your smart blinds. It is a true ambient intelligence. It basically acts as a director for the atmosphere of your living room. The ultimate smart home center. Speaking of the smart home, this new box is designed to be the absolute center of your entire house. The 2026 Apple TV will allegedly feature a built-in ultra-wideband chip. It will also have full thread and Matter support. This makes it the most capable home hub ever created. But the rumors indicate it goes much further than just connecting devices. Apple is integrating a massive language model directly into the box. This allows you to control your house using completely natural phrasing. You will never have to say rigid, robotic commands ever again. You do not have to say, set living room lights to 20%. You can just relax on your couch and say, it feels a little too bright and loud in here. The Apple TV will instantly understand the context of your sentence. It will dim the lights, adjust your smart thermostat, and turn down the volume of your soundbar. It is acting as a literal butler for your digital life. Revolutionary audio and ecosystem lock-in. Let's dive deeper into the audio experience. Apple already changed the game for personal audio with the AirPods. But this 2026 leak reveals a feature that will change how we listen to movies at home forever. They're calling it dynamic spatial mapping. Right now, if you want a really incredible surround sound setup, it is a huge hassle. You have to spend thousands of dollars on an audio receiver. You have to buy multiple heavy speakers. Then you have to spend hours placing them perfectly around your room and running wires everywhere. The new Apple TV fixes this completely. It will reportedly use the microphones on your iPhone, combined with sensors built into the Apple TV box itself. It will bounce inaudible acoustic waves around your living room. It literally maps the exact physical dimensions of your space. It finds out where your couch is, where your windows are, and where your walls meet. Then, it uses the immense power of the M-Series chip to perfectly calibrate the audio output of your HomePods or third-party soundbars. It creates a phantom speaker effect. This trick of the ear is so convincing, you will swear there are extra speakers mounted directly on your ceiling. This deep ecosystem integration is exactly how Apple traps you in the best way possible. Imagine you're watching a really intense, heavy drama. Suddenly, your baby starts crying in the other bedroom. Right now, you would panic. You would scramble to find the remote, pause the movie, and dig your phone out of your pocket to open the camera app. The 2026 Apple TV handles this seamlessly. The moment your HomeKit-enabled baby monitor detects a cry, the Apple TV smoothly lowers the volume of your movie automatically. It takes a live video feed from the nursery and puts it right in the corner of your TV screen as a picture-in-picture window. The same goes for your front door. If someone rings your smart doorbell, the video feed pops up instantly on the big screen. You can see who it is, and you can unlock the front door using your TV remote or just your voice. You do all of this without ever taking your eyes off the screen or leaving the couch. A massive hardware redesign. To pull all of this off, the physical box needs a major upgrade. The leak suggests Apple is finally ditching the basic black plastic puck design we have known for years. Putting an M-series chip inside a tiny box creates a lot of heat, especially during intense 8K gaming sessions. Because of this, the new Apple TV is getting a massive thermal redesign. We are hearing reports about a beautiful, aerospace-grade aluminum chassis. This metal body will act as a giant passive heat sink. That means there are absolutely no loud, spinning cooling fans inside the box. You will never hear a loud fan ruining the quiet moments of your movies or games. It will look like a highly premium piece of audiovisual equipment. It is designed to sit proudly on top of your TV stand, not hidden away in a dusty cabinet. There is also a very exciting rumor about a hidden display. The top of the new Apple TV will reportedly feature a built-in screen covered by edge-to-edge glass, but it remains completely invisible until you actually need it. It will glow softly to show you the current weather, the title of the song you are playing, or a cool visual waveform when Siri is listening to you speak. The future of live sports. Finally, we have to look at live sports. Apple has been quietly spending billions buying up the rights to massive sporting events. They already have Major League Soccer and Friday Night Baseball. The 2026 league points to a revolutionary new way to watch these live games. Because of the insane processing power of the M-series chip, you will be able to summon real-time augmented reality statistics directly onto your screen while the game is playing. You can track how fast a player is running. You can see dynamic probability metrics for the next play. You can even choose from multiple different camera angles and control the broadcast yourself. You're no longer just a passive viewer. You're directing the sports broadcast. You will also be able to invite your friends into a virtual watch party using FaceTime. Their video feeds will float seamlessly alongside the game. Everything is perfectly synced up over the internet, so you all react to a game-winning goal at the exact same millisecond. Pricing and release date. So, when is this monster machine finally coming out? And how much is it going to cost you? The supply chain whispers point to a massive launch window in the fall of 2026. This perfectly times the release right before the big holiday shopping season. When it comes to the price, Apple knows they have to be careful. If they price this box like a Mac computer, regular people will not buy it. But if they price it too cheap, it loses that premium Apple feeling. The leaks suggest they will release 2 different models to solve this problem. There will be a base model focused strictly on 4K streaming, AI home control, and basic media. This will be priced aggressively at just $149 to get everyone locked into the ecosystem. Then, there's the Pro model. This is the 8K M-series powered gaming beast. This is the true console killer. It is expected to cost around $299. Think about that value. For $300, you can completely replace your Xbox, your Roku, and your clunky smart home hub. All of it is tied perfectly into the iPhone that is already sitting in your pocket. Conclusion and AI opinion. This is not just a standard leak about a boring new product update. This is a very clear look at the future of home entertainment. Apple is laying down the groundwork to completely own the biggest screen in your house. They're doing it with a level of raw power and artificial intelligence that the competition is simply not ready for. The living room wars are about to begin, and it looks like Apple just brought a bazooka to a knife fight. Now, looking at these leaks objectively, the ambition here is massive. As an AI analyzing market trends, I can tell you that bridging the gap between hardcore console gaming and a simple streaming box has been tried before, and it often fails. However, Apple holds a unique advantage, their ecosystem. If they can truly deliver high-end, AAA gaming seamlessly combined with an AI that perfectly controls the smart home without complex setups, a $299 price tag, is highly disruptive. The biggest hurdle will be convincing die-hard PlayStation and Xbox fans to switch over. But for the average consumer wanting an all-in-one premium hub, this strategy is incredibly dangerous for competitors. What do you guys think about this massive leak? Are you ready to ditch your heavy gaming console for a sleek new Apple TV? Or do you think Apple is biting off way more than they can chew? Drop your exact thoughts down in the comments below. If you like this video and want to stay updated, make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video with your tech-obsessed friends, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the next massive tech leak. See you in the next one.